Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some smoked prosciutto brie balls. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So you want to get your smoker up to about 275. And then you're going to cook these brie balls indirect. You're going to hit it up with some Cosmos honey killer bee to top it off. Oh, so you want to take that brie, the wheel, cut that up in about 6 to 8 chunks, roll them up into a ball, wrap it in prosciutto, dash it with a little bit of your favorite rub, smoke it indirect. Oh, this is going to be a killer. Check this out. So to smoke up these prosciutto brie balls, we're going to be using the Char 980, and we're going to be using lump charcoal. We're using applewood in there as well, the chips. So you want to layer that up in your chimney. Some lump charcoal, some chips, charcoal, chips, charcoal. Oh hell yeah, ready to rock. And then you want to cook indirect, off to the side, have something underneath. Raise it, cook it up on the raised rack, the one that comes with the smoker, or the aftermarket one that I have here as well. Check it out. If you don't have one, it's badass. And this is going to be an easy cook for about 45 minutes or so.
Give me a hell yeah!
These prosciutto brie balls are done. Let's put one together. Oh hell yeah. We toasted up a baguette, sliced it up nice, about 1/2 inch thick, toasted it in the Char 980, and then we're going to slice up some Granny Smith apples. We're adding this together. Oh, check this out. We got a windstorm coming through. Let's try this out.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Woo! That is nice. So that Granny Smith apple helps sweeten up that salty brie cheese. Oh, perfect pairing on that bread. Oh, that's killer. Guys, go make this easy to do. Awesome. Killer. And about 30 to 45 minutes on any indirect smoker. Oh, hell yeah. Easy and quick prosciutto brie balls. Oh, hell yeah. With that Cosmos honey killer bee. You gotta do it. Seriously, awesome. Quick and easy, rocking. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah.
Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some prosciutto. Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some smoked prosciutto brie balls.